What's up, hungry and healthy people? John Juan here with Is There Any More? And today I got a special recipe for you guys that are into eating clean and finding different methods to do so. My grilled mixed vegetables. Now there's something in this mix for everybody in your household. We got corn, we got broccoli, we got carrots, we got zucchini, and you can feel free to add anything to this mix to your preference. But today, this is what we got, and that's what we're working with. So let's get cooking. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and that you're subscribed so you never miss a tasty meal like this. I like to put the carrots to the bottom because they take the longest to cook, while zucchini is the opposite and cooks pretty much the quickest. You'll want those on top. Now you pour extra virgin olive oil in to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom and that it gets a nice simmer while they're in the pan on the grill. Once you get that olive oil all on the bottom, we're gonna apply our seasonings. Today we have adobo, black pepper, lemon pepper, and garlic butter. Vegetables are another food that holds seasoning well, so you'll want to get a light coat over everything and then really get a nice mix. Lastly, we'll cover these with foil, that way they can steam cook on the grill. Throw these bad boys on the grill and let them cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. At about minute 15, you'll want to check on your vegetables, turn anything that needs to be turned, and make sure that nothing's burning at the bottom. And with that, we have a nice blend of healthy vegetables here: corn, carrots, broccoli, zucchini. There's something in there for everyone in the family. We hope you enjoy. Again, I'm John Juan, your host of Is There Any More? Let's eat.